getting ready to go do 5K. The Jog Glow Run. So, yeah, when it starts getting dark, we'll probably see a lot of glow sticks. Glow stuff.
Wait, do they get out glow sticks or do we have to bring our own?
They're gonna give you a glow necklace or something.
Can I hold this?
It's recording.
Hi guys, I'm Aaliyah, if you don't remember.
Come on, Bobby. Let's get you in your seat.
They're getting Reagan the seat.
You go bye-bye?
Sorry, so sunny guys.
Go bye-bye. You know the rules. If you want to go bye-bye, you gotta be in your seat.
Woo!
Alright?
So, we're gonna go do a 5K as it gets dark. We get glow sticks. And
You want your juice?
let me hop back run so I can grab my bottle.
Grab quicker than Mama do.
Call my bottles out front.
I know where that.
So I'm just getting in the car so we can leave. I'm gonna sit by my baby cousin. It was oh! Carl threw a water bottle at me. There's Amy. Here's my baby cousin.
Yeah, Reagan likes this stuff. I think he likes the scenery. I think we need to
He likes to see
think
himself
about
too.
the trail more.
Who's that? He likes singing stuff. I don't know why. Yeah, this is my bio. That's
You need
you.
your,
Yeah.
one of these buckles don't work, Aaliyah.
Oh, it's the one you're singing.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Alright.
So guys, we're on our way to the 5K. One time I did a mini motor and I got this mini motor headband that I'm gonna wear. It says,
Yeah, if I remember to, I'm gonna look at the headband.
I got this headband.
I mean, I guess I really don't need to. I can always sure until
Headbands where?
at Walmart.
That's
Sporting
mine.
area.
Reagan has her headband. And Amy, I don't know where her headband is.
It's in the diaper bag.
Oh yeah.
I usually don't put it on until I actually start walking. But it helps. I sweat so much, so the headband helps to keep the sweat out of my eyes.
Yeah.
The last 5K, I waited to put it on, and the sweat started coming in my eyes, and I'm like, nope, I gotta get the headband.
Daddy said I can run near you, but I can run away from you.
You just gotta stay close to me.
Yeah, I gotta, as I run fast, I have to stay near you.
Yeah.
I need to put my shoes on, they're under you.
Right here.
So I'm gonna put my shoes on. It's very easy. Ah, where do I send my water?
Okay, so we're gonna cut off for now. We'll turn it back on in a little while. Tell y'all what's going on.
So yeah, subscribe, click that notification bell. Give the video some thumbs and don't forget to comment below when we do a jewelry video if you want some. We made it to the 5K and we got glow in the dark sticks.
Close.
Glow sticks.
You're fine.
Reagan has orange. Amy has pink, which isn't like it.
Glow in the dark stick.
Yeah, me and him traded, so no, I have green, he has pink, but I had green, but I wanted green, so we traded. Oh, I just broke myself in the face. And there's a dog park, and I go to show them the dogs. The dogs. So guys, I'm gonna take you over to the dogs. Doggies. There's two doggies. So I'm zooming in so I can go show you the doggies. So I got this green one. It doesn't look green on camera, but yeah, it's green. And there's only two dogs. A lot of people are leaving. I don't know why, but let's put you guys over. There's a doggy right there. If you blend in more, you can see him better. He's right there. There's a black dog. So we're just gonna walk. Oh, and over there, yeah, that's the dog. And we're looking for Amy. I'm gonna zoom you guys back out. I got a glow stick. There's another dog right over there. Zoom, zoom. Right. There we go, right there. And we're back to Amy. I showed them the dogs, they're still up.
And we'll show more on the trail.
And we're doing a video for the 5K, and we're just going. Reagan's right there.
Aaliyah, remember me? Y'all did the street fair run together.
Yeah.
When it rained?
Yeah.
All that rain?
Yeah,
that's stuck.
Yeah. My hair is stuck in this.
Yeah, I heard about that. They had to cancel the rest of it.
Yeah, the adult run got canceled because it was just lightning constantly. The police called it.
I remember that morning trying to get out of bed to take his friend to work, and we couldn't get out of our road because there were flooded spots.
Yeah, when we tried to get
So I have
that
to
whole intersection there in front of Walmart was flooded out because the creek over.
Walking on the trail for the 5K.
Okay, you're going to be careful walking in front.
And Carl's right there. I'm so shaky. I walked shaky. Carl!
Aaliyah, don't you take off with my phone.
I won't.
See all the pretty doggies?
Yeah, the dog's helping. So we're just.
You're supposed to stay near me.
You can vlog with this, like this.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Are you sure they can see? I don't see nothing but trees.
You're ready to run. I don't know where
No, your dad told you not to because he's going to take off
Yeah.
and you won't be able to keep up. All right.
One turns blue. If you do this, I'm running blue. Oh, you're back. I'm gonna hold you guys. So I'm walking. So far, I don't think we even got a mile yet.
No, we haven't made a mile yet.
No.
You want to hold him for a sec? Push him for a sec?
Yeah. I can push and vlog.
I'm going to put this on.
Or I can push mine.
You want me to hold the phone if you push?
Yeah. Actually, it's more easier to push him than with the phone.
Okay. So we are in the 5K. Actually, let's get to the side, Aaliyah. But, yeah, well, runners will be coming through that side.
Yeah.
And, yeah, Aaliyah, you got to pay attention.
It's hard to pay attention when I have a big scratch on my belly and it hurts and we're doing the 5K.
Yeah, okay. That's no excuse. You were looking away. But, alright, well, I'm going to shut this off for now. And we'll record here in a minute.
Amelia, we're doing a 5K. Carl just passed us. He's been in front of us. So he left us. And so we're just walking. We've walked for so long. It doesn't look like it because we haven't been vlogging. But we just started vlogging because we said it would be a fun idea. Amy's right there. I'm behind her. Yeah. So I'm going to start walking a little fast. Huh?
We're going to have to hurry. We're way behind everybody else right now.
So we're just going to keep walking, talking. We have to hurry up because we're behind a lot of people. So I'm going to read this sign right here. Pink. Pink. It says surprising only about
20% of pet dogs and 10% pet cats aren't spayed or neutered.
Okay, so we're just gonna keep walking.
Oh yeah, let's put the phone up for now.
So we're gonna go out, so bye.